Hey there, investor. Ever looked at your investment portfolio and wondered, where's my money making money? If you're eyeing Nutmeg as a potential growth avenue, a burning question might be, does Nutmeg pay dividends? Let's dive in and find out. Now, dividends are like the pocket money of the investment world. It's that sweet cash reward companies give shareholders for being part of the team. And if you're considering Nutmeg, it's a legit question to ask. After all, who doesn't love a little extra cash? So, does Nutmeg hand out these dividend goodies? Well, it's not a straightforward yes or no answer. You see, Nutmeg is a bit of a smart cookie. They don't directly pay you dividends. Instead, they invest your money in a bunch of different funds. These funds, now, are the ones that might throw dividends your way. Think of Nutmeg as a skilled investor who picks a variety of promising stocks and bonds. Some of these picks might be dividend-paying champions. So, while Nutmeg itself isn't handing out the cash directly, it's creating an environment where your money has the potential to earn dividends. But hold your horses. This doesn't mean you're guaranteed a dividend payday every quarter. The dividend world can be a bit unpredictable. Companies can decide to cut or increase dividends based on their performance. So, while there's a good chance your Nutmeg portfolio will enjoy some dividend love, it's not a sure thing. Now, you might be wondering, if Nutmeg doesn't give me direct dividends, what's the deal? Well, that's where the magic of compounding comes in. Even if you don't see cold hard cash hitting your account regularly, those dividends are being reinvested back into your portfolio. This is like giving your money a superpower, the power to grow exponentially over time. Think of it like planting a money tree. Every dividend is like a new branch. Over time, that tree grows bigger and stronger, yielding more dividends and more growth. This is the beauty of compound interest, and it's a key factor in long-term wealth building. But let's talk about something important. While dividends can be a nice perk, they shouldn't be the sole reason for investing. The overall performance of your portfolio is what truly matters. A fund that doesn't pay dividends but delivers strong capital growth can still be a winner. So, when considering Nutmeg or any other investment, look at the bigger picture. Consider the fund's performance history, the investment strategy, and your overall financial goals. Dividends can be a cherry on top, but they shouldn't overshadow the fundamental health of your investment. To wrap it up, does Nutmeg pay dividends? Not directly, but it invests in funds that can. This means there's a potential for dividend income, but it's not guaranteed. The real magic lies in the power of compounding, where those dividends can fuel your investment growth. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Stay focused on your financial goals, diversify your portfolio, and don't get too caught up in the short-term fluctuations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.